Drivers and passengers get a front row seat to every twist and turn. With a low center of gravity, open cockpit, and one rear wheel launching you forward, the Slingshot is built to turn the open road into your greatest adventure yet. For the 2020 model year, the Slingshot is powered by a 2.0-liter inline 4-cylinder gas-powered Polaris Slingshot engine. This motor produces 203 horsepower at 8250 RPM and 144 pounds-foot of torque at 6500 RPM. It can be fitted to either a conventional 5-speed manual or an auto-drive 5-speed automated manual transmission, which is the first time an automatic transmission has been made available on the Slingshot. The top speed is limited to 125 miles per hour for the 2020 Polaris Slingshot. The R-trim level versions can make a 0 to 60 mph sprint in just 4.9 seconds.